This cooking class is a refreshing change from our shopping and food tasting itinerary. The whole experience was well organized and executed with efficiency. Our trainer is witty and humorous. The 3 hours class passed quickly with never a dull moment. We are shown how to prepare the ingredients and the hands-on was useful. For me, the local marketing trip was a highlight as I can observe how the locals live up close and personal. We were all holding bamboo baskets weaving through the street to buy the needed ingredients for our cooking lesson. The trainer was also very sweet to give us recipe books, coconut husk spatulas and chopsticks as parting gifts. A must-try and unforgettable experience if you are looking beyond shopping and eating in Bangkok. Very well organized cooking class with a quick market tour. The teacher me is very energetic and very friendly. The class is very fun and we learned to make 5 dishes. We were also given a certificate and chopsticks as a souvenir. Great fun for anyone who wants to learn how to cook Thai food. This is the cooking class I've wanted to do since I started planning my solo trip. In conclusion, I'm very, very satisfied. I was so happy and enjoyed the class throughout. It was a great opportunity to experience Thai spices and ingredients, and after the first day of class, I was able to imagine the scent of the ingredients when I ate the food, which was really nice. The food was really delicious, and I think it was a good choice during my trip to Thailand. I'll definitely go back next time I go. The teacher was very kind, and it was great that she gave me a certificate, recipe book, and chopsticks as gifts at the end. This is one of the best experiences of Thai culture by picking up useful tips on cooking Thai dishes. Ms. Plain was very helpful in guiding us in the entire process, including buying ingredients from the local market. Totally worth the time, 3 hours, and money spent. An amazing class, very great explanation of the cooking techniques, different spices and other ingredients and how they come together to create tasteful traditional Thai dishes. Accommodating to food preferences, e.g. we are pescatarian. The instructor was great and it was some of the best food we've had in Thailand. 10/10 would recommend to everyone to try. Super enjoyed this experience, very educational and even for first-timers you can easily follow the instructions. My husband survived preparing and cooking all the dishes and he said that he really enjoyed it especially when it's eating time. Thank you Silom for offering this kind of experience for us tourists. Truly a must-try. We had been taking cooking classes in Seoul, Kuala Lumpur, and Bangkok. This cooking class is one of the most well-prepared and interesting class. We had learned a lot about Thai food and we did have a very delicious and fulfilled meals. Even though all of the pre-made ingredients are sold in the market, but we prefer to make it fresh due to the preservative in those pre-made packages. Thanks to this class, we're able to enjoy the pad Thai, papaya salad, sweet rice mango, and green curry which are made fresh from home. An activity to learn how to cook your own Thai dishes. You get to eat every dish after you have cooked it. The cooking teacher, Plain, spoke fluent English, was informative and had a sense of humor which made the class interesting, safe and fun. Highly recommended. I told the staff this, the interior of their building is quite beautiful. The way it's decorated, the way the ingredients are laid out, the amazing aromas. The market tour was exactly as long and informative as it needed to be. All the instructions and lessons taught us something new. The foods we made were outstanding, the pad Thai especially for me. It was better than what I thought we were signing up for. Extremely pleased. This was a great experience. We booked the morning class with teacher Ree. She was very thoughtful, helpful and knowledgeable. She kept us entertained throughout. Definitely one of the highlights of our trip. Highly recommended. I recommend this to those who visit Bangkok. If you like local food, it's special because you can learn about the process of making it and eat the food you made yourself. You can easily get the ingredients around you, but it's fun to see the process of how those ingredients are made. I'm grateful to the teacher who gave a fun explanation of Thai food throughout the cooking class, and to all the staff who helped make it run smoothly. Thanks to them, I was able to finish it safely and cleanly. Smiley face emoji.